Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. Okay, so tingnan lang natin, kung sino ba yung may gusto sa'yo. Okay, so yeah, papalipas oras lang, no? Tingnan lang natin kung sino, anong energy niya. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga item, okay, yung ating mga protection from evil eye, ito yung ating ring, ito yung bracelet, okay, so dalawa yung bracelet ha. Okay, again, sa mga bago dyan, oo. So, dalawa yung ating evil eye bracelet. This is unisex. Okay? So, ito yung na-adjust. Okay? Ito yung with initial po, ha, nung magmamayari. And, ito yung garterize. Okay? So, meron tayong ring din. And, meron tayong necklace. Okay? So, ganyan. So, pareho silang non-tarnish. Parehong hypoallergenic. Okay? Adjustable ang ating ring. And, yung ating necklace din. So, na-adjust siya. Meron siyang extenders. Okay? So, yun ang ating mga protection from evil eye. Okay? So, next, yung ating love bracelet. So, ito si love bracelet. Okay? For singles, for may mga conflict. Okay? May mga conflicts pagdating sa situation, sa love. Yung may mga separate. May mga ka-separate na mga followers dyan. Okay, so pwede sa inyo to. Okay, so kung meron pa ibang tanong, message lang kayo ha. This is made to order po ha. And yung ating grantor. So ito si grantor. Okay. Yeah, this is unisex. Okay, non-tarnish, 20 inches long yung chain. Pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. Okay, so sa pendant, sarili nating design yan. Okay, wala kayong makikita no, sa iba na katulad ng atin. Okay, so harap at likod, okay, meron siyang parang glass, okay, like acrylic. Okay, so yung ating new item for cord cutting naman. Okay, so ito si ating grantor is for manifesting. Okay, para mapabilis, lalo na kung deserve mo yung minamanifest mo. Okay, so every time na kukuha tayo nito and nito, ng ating love bracelet and itong ating grantor, kailangan po ng evil eye ha. So if you have evil eye na gamitin nyo. Okay, so ito yung isa, napaka-importante, yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, pang cord cutting. So, wala kayong gagawing part pagdating sa cord cutting. Kukunin ko yung name mo. Ito lang yung kailangan mo. Okay, so ito na yung para magiging protection doon sa aalisin ko pagdating sa inyo. Okay, sa mga aalisin ko situation, tao man, mga energies. Okay, ito yung parang magbibigay ng parang sabihin natin gate. Oo, para hindi sila makapasok ulit. Okay, so yun po ha. So, yeah, kung meron pong mga tanong, mag-message na lang po ha para aming masasagot through PM. Okay po, you can reach us sa FB page po natin ha. Dito sa FB page o kung nandito kayo ngayon sa FB, Fias Tarot po. Okay, same lang ng ating channel dito sa YT. Okay. So, all signs, you can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus and your North Node kung alam nyo yung inyong mga placements. Okay, so, let's start. Okay, diba? Tumatalon. Excited. Okay. Aries, anong energy ng taong nagkakagusto sa'yo? Kukuha tayo ng signs like physical. Okay, pagdating sa physical. Okay. So, hindi naman lahat makaka-resonate dito. Okay, so don't force a message to fit. Okay, again, Aries placements, yan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anong meron sa energy ng taong may gusto sa'yo? Okay, let's see, anong meron. Yung iba sa inyo may channeled ako ha, may channeled message ako. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong parang napapansin na someone. Okay, tingnan mo ko siya to. Okay, yeah, Asian. Okay, so Pinoy, Pinay. Okay, Asian. So pwedeng Japanese, ganyan, okay? Isa Korean, Chinese, yan. Anything, yeah. Asian, basta Asian. Okay, nakatira sa Asia, o diba? What else? Okay, what else? Ano pa ba? Pwedeng kalahi rin natin, no? What else? Average build. Okay, so hindi katabaan, hindi kapayatan. Okay, so kuha pa tayo ng isa pa. Ano pang meron sa physical nitong taong to? Physical traits. Braids. Okay, so I think mahilig tong mag-ayos ng buhok niya. Okay, pwedeng magtirintas, ganyan. They're into sabihin nating pag-aayos, no? Okay, I think they're neat. Okay, they're neat. So yan lang ha. So mga specific yan. So wag niyong kukunin lahat kung hindi naman ganoon, pero may ganito akong nakikita sa kanya. So yun lang ang kunin mo. Okay? So tingnan natin sa tarot. Anong energy ni person? Pasensya na. Napalakas yung ganun. Okay. Aries placement. Ano bang meron dito sa person na to? Anong meron sa kanya? Let's see. Anong meron dyan? Okay. The Eight of Cups. Are they trying to ignore you? They're distancing themselves. Like, nilalayuan ka. Pwedeng water sign. Okay. What's with this Eight of Cups? Sino ba itong nagkakagusto sa'yo, Aries? The Wheel of Fortune. Hindi nakikisama tong taong to. Ha? Hindi siya nakikisama. Hindi nakikisama talaga no? Okay. I think hindi kanya binibigyan pansin. Okay? Hindi kanya binibigyang pansin. So, una pa lang sabi ko sa inyo kanina. May something ka pagdating sa isip mo. Okay? Pero hindi mo ma-pinpoint or hindi mo ma-sure. Okay? So, I think itong taong to is ina-avoid ka, ganto ganyan. Pero may mga hints, may mga signs, may mga signal itong taong to. Maybe, lagi kang tinitingnan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, water sign ang nandito. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. They're giving you signs. Okay, hints. Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Oh, no. Some of them, they're attractive. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Okay, or maybe, attracted ka lang din sa kanya. Okay? Itong taong to ma-ego, ma-pride. Yung iba sa kanila may may pagkamayabang. I don't know, like, hindi sila, sanay na sila yung magpo-pursue. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Okay? Andito yung parang sanay siya na siya yung ginagawa ng action like that. Woo! Okay, so yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa person na may gusto sa'yo, Aries, ha? Okay, so next, parang mahaba-habang reading to. Oo, okay. Okay, next, Taurus. So sino ba? Ano bang energy? Anong meron? Gamit muna tayo nitong oracle pagdating sa physical looks. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong makukuha. Okay, Taurus. Sino itong taong may gusto sa'yo? Okay? If you're interested, let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, anong meron sa kanya? Okay, albino. So, some of them, pwedeng sabihin nating maputi. Okay? Maputi. Specific. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may ganyan siyang kalagayan. No? Like, this is diba? Hindi naman sabihin nating normal. Okay, I don't know. Is this skin, I don't know, tawag doon. Sakit or what? Sakit ba yung albino? I don't know ha. Pero yeah. Okay, so meron siyang ganung characteristic. Okay. I don't know if this is skin disease or nakukuha to genetically. I don't know. Okay. Wala akong idea. I'm sorry. Okay, so what else? So, sabihin lang natin may pagkamaputi, no, yung person. What else? Square face. Okay, so doon pa lang ha, napaka-specific naman kasi nito, square face, hindi oval, okay? Hindi pa triangle. So, I think meron silang sharp jawline. Okay, jawline, may jawline, oo. Tingnan natin, ano pa? What else? Tooth gap. Hindi tooth, tooth, ang tawag dyan, tooth decay, hindi ha. Tooth gap. Yan, parang si SpongeBob, no? Tingnan nyo. This specific, yeah. Baka mamaya tingnan nyo yung taong inakala nyo, wala pala siyang ganun. Ay, hindi siguro siya yun. Stop! Okay, so maybe there's this, sabihin nating kaunting design, no? Design pagdating sa kanyang ngipin, no? Pwedeng may sungki. Parang ganon. Okay, ayaw kong kunin kasi na sobrang specific, no? So, some of you, meron ngang tooth gap. Okay? Some of them pwedeng may braces, I think. Nagpa-brace, no? Parang ganyan. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, kuha pa tayo, Taurus. Ano pang meron? Okay. Kung ano lang mag-resonate ha, kung ano sa tingin nyo, yung para sa inyo. Okay, what else? Hispanic or Latino. Okay. So, I don't know, this person, may chance na parang mestiza, no? Mestizo. Parang ganyan. Okay? There. May pagka maputi talaga, no? Anyway. Yeah, see? Blue eyes. I don't know, some of you pwedeng foreigner. No? Yeah. Anyway, so yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa physical traits ng person. So, tayo tumungo na sa tarot. Ano bang meron dito sa person na to, Taurus? Okay. Anong meron sa kanya? Sino ba tong taong may gusto sa'yo? Temperance. Pwedeng Sagittarius. What else? This person is so patient. Yeah, they're patient. May pasensyosa itong taong to. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Some of them, pinupurso ka na nito. Some of them, ha? Or sabihin natin, nagbibigay na siya ng sign na gusto ka niya. Okay? There's this, they're giving you attention. Okay? They're giving you attention. Iba nga sa kanila, pwedeng, nililigawan ka na, or nagpaparamdam sa'yo tong taong to na they like you, na they're into you. Pwedeng naging open na sila pagdating sa'yo. Okay, some of them, they're giving you appreciation, they're giving you gifts. Okay, like that. Wow. Okay? Some of them, they're getting a lot of attention from other people, pero ikaw yung parang pinaka-want niya, no? Like, sa'yo siya parang nakakakuha ng parang mas gusto ko kay Taurus ako nakakakuha ng attention, like that. Or maybe this person is giving a lot of attention sa mga nakakasalamuha niya, pero mas marami sa'yo. Parang ganon. Okay? So, pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah. This person is admiring you. Yeah, they're admiring you. Yung iba sa kanila po ha, hindi sila like totally, they're like testing the waters. Okay, like, hindi sila totally magsasabi na, hoy, gusto kita. No, hindi sila ganun. Okay? Some of them hindi ganun. May chance na may mga binibigay ito or something like a sign of appreciation or something like pwedeng ikaw itong parang lagi kang sinasabihan ito, ay, ang ganda naman ng ganito mo. Ay, bagay sa'yo yung gupit mo. Mga ganun. Okay? So, yun. Okay. Next. Let's see. Diba? Abutin tayo ng bukas dito. Gemini. Okay. Gemini. tingnan natin kung sino ba itong taong nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay? Tao lang, ha? Doon lang tayo sa tao, ha? Oo. Anong meron dito sa taong to na nagkakagusto sa'yo, Gemini? Let's see. Okay. Kuha tayo ng physical traits ng taong to. Okay, don't try to force a message to fit. Okay? So, okay, baby face. Maybe they look young. Okay, maybe they look young. What else? So, pwedeng tingin dito, kahit matanda na to, bata pa rin yung tinginan. Parang ganyan, ha? Baby face. Tooth gap. Okay, there's this something significant. Like, pagdating sa ngipin nitong taong to. I don't know if yung ngipin niya is okay or maganda or may sungkit. Something like that. Okay? Yeah. So, specific, pwedeng meron ngang tooth gap, no? Parang si SpongeBob. O, diba? Oo, okay. What else? Diba? Palipas oras, diba? Let's see. Okay, curly hair. So, they have curly hair. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Okay, curly hair. Yan, kulot. Okay? So, there. What else? Last. Okay, ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan sa taong may gusto sa'yo, Gemini? Sharp face. Okay, so pwedeng yung mukha nito is like edgy. May mga edges. May mga kantuhan. Parang ganon. Okay? So, I cannot. Oo. So, kung makikita mo, ganyan. Like, may mga pointed chin. May mga ganon. Okay? So, yeah. May mga edge. O yung mukha niya. Okay. So, let's see. Ano bang meron pagdating sa tarot? Okay. So, that's ano lang naman. Like, physical. Okay? Pagdating sa physical. Okay. So, ano bang meron dyan sa person na may gusto sa'yo, Gemini? Anong meron sa kanila? Diba? Anong meron? Okay. The Tower in reversed. Pwedeng Scorpio. What's with that? Are they trying to avoid you? Meron silang ina-avoid something. Yeah. Oh. They're secretive. Some of them, ayaw nila na meron silang, ito ay ang tawag dito, napaka-specific. Okay? Some of them, may mga sikreto. Okay? And ayaw niya na parang laging mapapag-usapan yun kung ano man. Okay? The Two of Cups is here. Some of you have this soul recognition with this person. Okay? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. May chance na pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa isang environment. Okay? Sa work, school, kung ano man, saan man. Okay? They're too mysterious. Yeah. What's with this? Anong tinatago? May tinatago to. Some of them, they're sharing their secrets, mga ganyan. Let's see, ano ba to? Yeah, the Eight of Wands in reversed. Some of you, meron kayong mga sikreto na kayo lang nagkakaintindihan ng taong to. Okay, the Lovers is here. Some of them may chance na meron kayong strong like soul recognition, twin flame, mga ganyan. Like, some of them they're in a relationship already. Okay? You're avoiding sabihin nating conversation na specific. Ayaw nila nun. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Okay? Meron itong taong to, meron silang like, may isang topic, ayaw nila yun pag-uusapan. Like that. Or pwedeng meron pagdating sa sarili niya, sa taong yan, hindi alam ng iba. That's specific. Pwedeng ikaw lang nakakaalam. Or sabihin natin kakaunti lang kayo na nakakaalam nito. Kung ano man yan, I don't know. Okay? Some of you, this person is trying to avoid you. They blocked you. Some of them, okay, this is another message. Binlock ka nitong taong to. Pero they're being sneaky. Okay? They're stalking you. Yeah. I don't know kung anong nangyari sa past nyo or sa kung anong meron sa situation. Pero, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita. Okay, so, there. Okay. Diba? Napaka-deep. Next, Cancer. Okay, so, Cancer placements. Hang on. Okay, so, kuha muna tayo ng physical traits nitong taong may gusto sa'yo. Sino ba itong taong may gusto sa'yo, Cancer? Cancer placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancer, anong meron sa person na to na may gusto sa'yo? Physical. Older than you. So, may chance na mas matanda sa'yo. Okay? Mapababae, mapalalaki ha. So, or kung naman ang gender niya, and this person is older, mas matanda po sa'yo. Okay? So, green eyes. So, specific. Pwedeng foreign. Okay? Ibang lahi. Okay? There. What else? Glasses. Maybe this person is wearing glasses. Okay? May basta lang, malabo talaga ang mata. Okay? So, what else? Last. Anong meron sa kanya? Itong taong nagkakagusto sa'yo. Taong may gusto sa'yo. Animated eyes. Alam nyo, there's this something pagdating sa mata nitong taong to. Okay? I don't know. Specific. Kung ano man. May something sa mata ng taong to. Maybe, yung mata niya is maganda. Some of them pwedeng Libra. Okay, that's specific. Kasi mostly, sa mga Libra, magaganda mata. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong nagko-cross-watch and you're a Libra. Yeah. Okay? Maganda. Maganda yung mata ng taong to, I think. Pwedeng dun ka nabibighani rin. Okay? There's something, oo, pagdating sa mata ng taong to. Some of them may third eye. Yeah. Oo, bulong sa akin yun. Yes. Okay? Yeah. Some of them. There's something. Pagdating sa sixth sense. No? Okay? So, yeah. Pwedeng hindi mo yun alam. Okay? Or pwedeng alam mo yun. Na may something itong taong to pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Okay? So, anong meron pagdating sa kanya sa tarot? Anong meron sa kanya para malaman mo nga na itong taong to is into you, na siya yun, or yeah, tingnan natin. Cancer, anong meron sa taong to na may gusto sa'yo, Cancer? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. The Moon in reversed. Some of them, pwedeng mayroong shinare sa yung secret. Okay? Or there's this something significant or important pagdating sa kanya na pwedeng shinare niya sa'yo. Okay? Secrets maybe. Yun nga. What's with this, the moon in reverse? Anong meron? Pwedeng meron tong inopen pagdating sa'yo. The Knight of Cups. They like you. Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng naging transparent sila sa emosyon nila. Pwedeng sinabi niya na sa'yo na gusto ka, na they're into you, mga babae, mga palalaki. Okay? So there, pwedeng water sign like you. The Magician in reverse. Somebody, pwede nga na iba sa kanila is into something abnormal. Okay? Hindi ko masasabing napaka-normal ng taong to. Some of them, mayroon kang alam pagdating sa kanya na hindi na sineshare sa iba. Okay? They're keeping lang yun sa kanilang sarili, pero shinare niya sa'yo. Yeah. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng may dinrap or something like mahilig siyang mang-reject. Okay? I don't know. Mahilig siyang mang-reject. Andun yung sabihin rin natin may pagka-judgmental rin yung tao. I don't know kung bakit yun pumasok na energy. May pagka-judgmental. I don't know kung marunong lang talaga itong taong tumingin sa iba. Okay? Something like that. Anyway, so yun ang nakikita ko pagdating sa taong may gusto sa'yo. Okay? Diba? Anyway, so hindi naman lahat makaka-resonate doon. Okay? So, don't try to force a message to fit. Okay? So, next, Leo. Leo placement. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And the North Node. Okay, let's see. Sino itong taong may gusto sa'yo? Tingnan natin. Physical traits. Tingnan natin anong meron sa kanya. Leo. Okay, hang on. I need to shuffle. One more. Okay. Physical traits ng taong may gusto sa'yo, Leo. European. Yung ba sa inyo pwedeng specific? Taga Europe, no? Taga Europe itong taong may gusto sa'yo or something like malayo. Okay? Vibrant apparel. Mahilig siya sa makukulay na damit or mga bagay-bagay. Mahilig siya sa colorful. Mga ganun, okay? Masyadong passionista, maybe. Okay? Iba sa kanila, pwedeng hilig niya is purple or violet. Okay? What else? Younger than you. So, I think, pwedeng mas bata sa'yo, Leo. Okay? Mas bata sa'yo. What else? Last. Okay. Same height as you. So, pwedeng magkasing tangkad kayo nitong taong to or pwedeng, sabihin natin hindi nagkakalayo yung height nyo. Okay? Iba sa inyo kung hindi man height, meron kayong mga parehong hobby. Okay? Hindi asawa ha. Okay, meron lang kayong mga hilig na pareho. Meron kayong parang, ay gusto mo rin ba yung ganun? Ay, ginagawa mo rin ba yung ganun? Ay, oo, ginagawa ko. Mga ganun. Okay, so there. Okay, so, tungo tayo sa tarot. Okay, so anong meron? Anong energy nitong taong to? Anong energy niya? Leo. Okay. Some of them, this is channeled. Pwedeng yung trabaho niya is designing. Okay? Pwedeng damit, apparel, like that. Okay, passion. Fashion. Okay, so the devil, pwedeng Capricorn. What's with that? The devil, the Four of Wands in reversed. Some of them, kakaalis lang nila sa isang toxic na situation. That's so specific. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Some of them pwedeng kakahiwalay lang sa asawa or kakaalis lang sa isang matagal na relasyon. Okay, napaka-specific. Some of them, they're obsessed pagdating sa sabihin nating growth or pagdating sa ito napaka-specific nito. Meron silang mga goals, no, na gustong ma-reach. May mga ganon. Pwedeng nakikita mo napaka-busy ng taong to. Okay? Some of them may chance talaga. Ito alam mo talagang may gusto sa'yo to physically. Some of them naka-SEX mo na. Opo. Okay? Yeah. They're naughty. Yeah, they're naughty. Yeah. Diba? Ako yung nahihiya. Mga babae, mga palalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Okay? May pagka-naughty yung person. Leo. Yung iba sa kanila, hindi pa sila din ready na makipagrelasyon sa ngayon. Okay? Some of them, they're like a breadwinner. Yun lang. Akin nakikita for them. For the person na may gusto sa'yo. Okay. So, next. Okay. Virgo. So, Virgo, sino ba itong person na may gusto sa'yo? Okay. So, Virgo placements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, kuha tayo ng physical traits. Pagdating dun sa person na may gusto sa'yo. Okay. Virgo, okay. Black clothing. So, may chance na mahilig sa itim, mahilig sa black clothing. Okay, whether, siguro, favorite lang niya yung color black. Okay? What else? Virgo. Skin condition. Okay. So, in general, meron silang skin condition. Okay? Whether it's simple acne, mga ganyan. Okay? Skin condition. Yeah. What else? Redhead. Okay, so pwede itong taong to, mahilig mag-color ng buhok, mag-dye ng kanyang hair. Okay, or pwedeng sabihin nating talagang literal, no, na redhead itong taong to. Okay? May pagkamapula yung buhok. Okay? So, what else? Okay. Brunette. Okay. So, pwedeng may kulay talaga yung buhok niya. Pwedeng ma-brown, mapula-pula, parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, may average height dito. Hindi ka tangkaran, hindi ka bansutan. Okay? Yeah. Hindi ka tangkaran, hindi ka liitan. Yan, ha? Okay. So, doon tayo. There's something pagdating sa hair niya. Anyway, so ano pang meron pagdating sa tarot? So, dito tayo sa tarot. Specific, tingnan natin anong meron, anong energy ng person para malaman mo ngang siya yun. Okay, sino ba itong taong may gusto sa'yo? Virgo, anong meron sa Kenya? Okay, the Fool in reversed. Some of you takot ka sa kanya actually. I don't know why. Feeling intimidated maybe. Okay, I don't know, maybe you feel like nervous whenever this person is around, near you. May mga ganyang bagay-bagay ba? No? So, pwedeng Aries. What's with the Fool in reversed? The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Strength. Hindi mo pinapansin tong taong to, I think. And maybe some of them, they're like, energy niya is like introvert. A loner. Okay? A loner. Some of them, nakakasama mo or pwedeng nakasama mo sa isang environment, school, work, gym. Okay? Kung saan man. Yeah. Ano tong Seven of Pentacles na to? They're not giving you attention. They're not giving you something like... Anyway, what's with this? Oh yeah, the Lovers. Okay? May something, I don't know. Pwedeng there's this energy of strong connection na nararamdaman mo with this person, I think. Yeah. I think gusto mo rin tong taong to. Pero para kayong nag-iiwasan. Yeah, para kayong nag-iiwasan. Strong connection. The Lovers is here. Some of them, meron ka-connect. Or pwedeng ikaw. Kaya kailangang i-avoid. Something like that. It's like, tingin mo, this is just a waste of time. Walang mangyaring kung ano man dito. Kung bibigyan ko man ng pansin to, walang mangyari dito. Like that. Okay? Pwedeng ganun rin pagdating sa view niya, sa part niya. Okay? So, pwedeng Earth sign, Gemini, and Aries. Okay. So, okay, next is Libra. Okay, Libra. Let's see. Libra placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Let's see. Sino ba itong taong may gusto sa'yo? Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, big help yan sa channel natin, ha? Okay. So, Libra. Anong meron sa physical traits? Physical. Sa looks. Nitong taong to, anong meron? Libra, anong meron sa kanya? Itong taong may gusto sa'yo. Beauty mark. Beauty mark. I don't know. This is like something na pwedeng nunal. Something na pwedeng nagpapaganda lalo or nagpapapogi, dun sa tao. Okay? Like this. Kung makikita nyo, may nunal. Diba? Kung makikita nyo. Hindi mabigyang hustisya. Ang dilem. O yan. Ito. Okay? Merong something, or pwedeng dimples. Yeah, like that. Dimples. Yeah. Okay? Moles, dimples. Yeah. Beauty marks. Okay. What else? Ano pang meron dito sa taong may gusto sa'yo, Libra? Okay. Muscular. Mapalalaki, mapababae. O, diba? Yeah. Or pwedeng sabihin natin this person is fit. Okay. Pero in general, itong taong to pwedeng nag-gym if ever, diba? Okay? Specific to. Okay, so hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Pero yeah, may ganong energy. Some of them nasa ganyang tone sila ng skin. Okay, yeah, may darker. I think. Mapa babae, mapa lalaki. Okay, they're into fitness, maybe. Okay? What else? Sino ba itong taong may gusto sa iyo? Libra? Piercing. Pwedeng merong hikaw. Okay? Kung mapa lalaki, may hikaw. Or maybe kung wala man, pwedeng narinig mo na itong taong to gusto niyang maghikaw. Something like that. Okay? Diba? Napaka-specific nun. Haha. Okay. What else? Okay, what else? Pagdating dyan sa person, ano pang meron, Libra? Anong meron dyan sa taong yan na may gusto sa iyo? Black clothing. Pwedeng mahilig siya sa black. Black cloth. Okay? In general, maybe they love black. They love black. So, curly hair sa ilalim. Maybe their hair is curly. Or pwedeng gusto niya magpakulot. Something like that. Okay? Black hair. So, may chance na itim yung hair. Okay? So, yun ha. Physical traits, physical looks ng person na may gusto sa iyo. Ano pa ang meron pagdating sa energy? Doon tayo sa energy, Libra. Let's see. Anong energy meron itong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Para mas malaman mo na siya to. Okay, Libra. Libra, sino itong taong may gusto sa'yo? Strength in reversed. Pwedeng Leo. Wala silang ginagawa patungkol sa'yo, no? There's no, maybe a little to no action. Some of them may pagkatamad, ha? Sabihin na. Okay. I'm sorry, pero yeah. Some of them, there's this ego, pride na meron. Itong taong to. What's with this? Strength in reverse. Ano pang meron? The moon in reversed. Moody. Moody. I don't know. Gusto mo tong taong to, I think, Libra. Gusto mo rin siya, pero there's this something pagdating sa ugali. meron kang hindi gusto pagdating sa ugali niya. Okay? It's like annoying. Nakakainis. Yeah. I don't know kung naiinis ka sa kanya. Totoo ba yung kasabihang the more you hate, the more you love? Ha? Oh. Ano opinion mo doon? Okay. So, Leo, Pisces. Some of them, pwedeng meron kang narinig na secret pagdating sa kanya. So, pang kunin. Ano pa bang meron dito? The Tower in reversed. They're avoiding you. So, maybe, that's why, kaya ka nabubwisit sa energy ng taong to. Sa presence. It's like, they're avoiding you, maybe. They're avoiding you. Okay? Puro major arcana to. Yeah. Hindi sila ganun ka-cooperative, maybe. Okay? Hindi mo sila makokontrol. Something like that. Or talagang iwas-iwas lang itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Gusto mong may malaman pa pagdating sa kanya, I think. Parang nadodrone ka sa kanya. Yeah. So, ito yung energy ng taong may gusto sa'yo. Yeah. Leo, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay? This could be any sign. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Next is Scorpio. Okay. So, Scorpio, meron akong angel number for you, 4444. Okay. So, anong meron? Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Sino itong taong may gusto sa'yo? Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio, anong physical traits sa looks ng taong to? Anong meron sa looks niya, Scorpio? Witch. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay. They kind of weird. Yeah, they kind of weird. Nawiwirduhan ka sa taong to, maybe. So, some of them, it's like literal na witch itong taong to. Okay. May chance. Yeah. Tingin mo lang siguro. Or pwedeng there's this rumors, no, na ganun nga. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Wizard, diba? Pag lalaki. Yeah, no. Ano pang meron? Siyempre, hindi lahat makaka-resonate dyan, ha? Maybe makaka-resonate ka kung ang kukunin mo is yung weird. May pagka-weird itong taong to, Scorpio. Wavy hair. Look how gothic, diba, ng person. The way they dress. Maybe this person loves black clothing. See? May pagka-goth. Maybe, yeah, look at her lips. It's black. Diba? Not in the norms, I think. Itong taong to. Some of them, they have tattoos. Mga ganyan. Anyway, tattoos is normal. Pero, yung fashion ng tao, I think, it's not normal. Like, may pagka-goth. Something like that. Gothic. Wavy hair. So, some of them pwedeng may pagka-wavy yung hair niya. Okay. Okay, oops. What else? Sino tong taong may gusto sa'yo, Scorpio? Tribal. Diba? Diba? Oo. There's just something pagdating sa taong to. Some of them, they know how to do rituals. Okay? There's this like, sabihin nating, unique. Okay? Unique itong taong to. Yeah. Unique. Okay. May mga talaga, sabihin nating makakuha ng atensyon itong taong to. Parang ganyan. Anyway, what else? Exaggerated feature. Okay. Yeah, some of them talaga, they like heavy makeup, something like that. Yeah, goths talaga, they wear heavy makeups, no? Like black lipstick, black tawag dyan, eyeshadows, like that. Okay? Kung lalaki man to, they wear eyeliners, like that, no? They're into black. Something like that. Okay? Anyway, they're unique. They're unique. Not in the norms, pero they're unique. Okay? Ang ganda ng energy niya, I think. Ang ganda. Kung makikita ko tong taong to, yeah, I think, magugustuhan ko rin, no? Magugustuhan ko rin. Shinare. Oo. Like, yeah, yung physical niya. Physical appearance, like that. Okay? So, anong meron? Anong meron dito sa person na to, Scorpio? Scorpio. Anong meron dito sa taong may gusto sa'yo? Some of them, they're hiding this. Yeah. Nausuhan ba kayo nung nung emo, mga ganyan? Yeah, may pagkaganon sila, some of them. Loner, some of them. Okay, Scorpio. The Hanged Man in reverse. parang risk taker, parang may pagkaganon siya, like kung anong gusto niya gagawin niya, something like that. Okay, yeah, hindi sila tumitigil sa parang kung anong lang, something like that. Yeah, what's with this Hanged Man and reversed? Some of them palagi silang nasa labas. Yeah, palagi silang nasa labas ng bahay. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Swords. Ito talaga yung taong kapag meron siyang gusto gagawin niya. Number 1 yun, okay? Kapag meron siyang gusto gagawin niya, some of them, they have money. Okay? Some of them, they have this good, sabihin nating, finance. When it comes to finance, yung pera nila is okay talaga. Like stable. Okay? They're responsible, I think. May pagka-independent itong taong to, Scorpio. Yeah. Wala silang limit, I guess. Wala silang limit. Some of them, hindi sila nagpapakita ng emosyon. They're cold. Detached. I don't know why. It's like, something like, yeah, may pagka-emo. Alam niyo yun? Naabutan niyo ba yung ganong, kapanahunan? Kapanahunan talaga, no? Emo, like loner, something like ayo may kausap, ganto ganyan. Okay. Yeah, yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa taong to. Sabi nga, may pagka-risk taker, kung anong gusto niya gagawin niya. Okay, adventurous itong taong to. Yeah, hindi niya kailangan ng opinion ng iba. Parang ganun. Okay? Gusto ko ba kumuha na isa pa? Yeah, the Three of Wands in reversed. Ten of Pentacles. They can provide para sa sarili nila. The Three of Wands in reverse. Ito yung parang, okay, wala akong pakialam sa mga sasabihin nyo. Kung anong gusto ko, yun ang gagawin ko. Something like that. Yeah, may pagka-loner itong taong to, Scorpio. Okay. So, there. Medyo, yung energy niya, medyo heavy. I don't know why. Next, Sagittarius. Okay, so Sag, anong meron sa person mo na may gusto sa'yo? Okay, anong meron? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Sagittarius placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Anong meron dyan sa person mo na may gusto sa'yo? So, dito tayo sa looks niya. Tall. So, pwedeng matangkad. Okay. May katangkaran. Si Farzan na may gusto sa'yo. Okay. Muscular. Wow. So, they're into fitness. Okay. Mapa lalaki, mapa babae. They're into fitness. Maalaga sa katawan. Like that. Okay. Being healthy. Parang ganun. Hazel eyes. Some of you, pwedeng foreigner tong taong to. Okay? May pagka-hazel, may pagka-brown yung mata niya. What else? Okay, so hindi naman lahat makaka-resonate, no? So, just take kung ano yung sa tingin ninyo na makaka-resonate kayo. Okay. Markings. Some of them, they have tattoos. Okay, they have scars, maybe. There's these markings. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, Let's see, ano bang meron pagdating sa energy niya. Sag, anong meron sa energy ng person na to? Sa person na may gusto sa'yo. Tingnan natin, ha? So, matangkad, magandang katawan, fit. Okay? Some of them, they have markings, tattoos, mga ganyan, piercing, maybe, scars. Okay, they have hazel eyes. Okay, anong meron sa kanya? The Two of Wands, some of them, they live far. Pwedeng, malayo. Okay? You have to travel, if ever. The High Priestess. They're mysterious. Okay? They're silent. They're silent. The Fool. They love to travel, I guess. They love to travel. They love to travel. Mahilig siyang lumamirda. Okay? Pero they're, silent. Mysterious. May pagka-mysterious itong taong to, Sag. Adventurous. Alam mo, they're like outgoing, fun to be with, pero there's this secret, no? Na pwedeng talagang hindi niya sinashare. What's that? Yung pwedeng they're into you. Okay? They're into you. Like, gusto ka. Hindi niya para i-share. See? Hindi niya para i-share yun. Yeah, I don't know why. Or the High Priestess. Oh, the Nine of Cups. I think this person, sabihin natin, they're like independent emotionally, maybe. Some of them, takot lang din sila totally na parang ma-judge if ever. Okay, mas pipiliin ng some of them, they're single. Okay? They like you. Sinisikreto lang nila. They like you. They're into you. Some of you, you're their wish fulfillment. Whenever na nakikita ka, nakakasama ka, masaya siya. Pero hindi niya sasabihin kung bakit. Okay, i-avoid niya yun. I-avoid niya mga ganong tanungan. Okay, aalis yan. Or sabihin natin, wala. Parang ganon. Hindi niya i-entertain yung mga ganong bagay-bagay. Okay? They're just giving it to themselves. Parang ganyan. Mas pipiliin lang, isikreto na lang yun. I don't know why. Okay? Fire, Cancer, water sign. Okay? So, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, there. Okay, next. O, diba? Inabot na tayo ng kinabukasan. Oo. So, ang init. Okay. So, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. Konti na lang. Konting kembot na lang. Tapos na. So, Capricorn, how are you? So, sino ba itong may gusto sa'yo? Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Let's see, anong meron sa physical traits, sa looks nitong taong to na may gusto sa'yo, Capricorn. Okay. Beauty mark. Ito rin yung first card ni Libra. I don't know if you have Libra in your chart. Okay. So, beauty mark. Pwedeng may mole, nunal, pwedeng merong dimples, like that. Okay. So, there. What else? Anong meron sa taong to na may gusto sa'yo, Capricorn? Oh my golly. I think, ito Capricorn. First and second, ganito yung kay Libra. I don't know if you have Libra on your chart. Panoorin mo rin, okay, yung Libra. First and second, sa dami nito. Sa dami nito. Pareho kayo, tanda ko yun. Okay, tanda ko yun. Yeah, nakakatanda pa ako. So, beauty mark, muscular. Some of them, they're like, may pagka, tawag dyan, they're sporty. Some of them, they're like athletes. Okay, they love sports, maybe. They going to gym. Like that. Okay? Into fitness. Something like that. Ang galing. Oo. Let's see. What else? For you, Capricorn. Anong meron sa taong to na gusto ka? Elderly. Okay, so pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo. Okay? Or maybe they look old sa age nila. I think. They look old. See? Nasa ilalim, very young. Pwedeng bata ito pero they look old. They look mature maybe physically. Okay? Yeah. Or yeah, typical. Like literal. Pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo. Okay? So what else? They look mature, I think. What else? Some of them, they stare at you. That's channeled. They stare at you. Natitig sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng nakikita mo tong taong to, natitig sa'yo. Mapatingin ka, nakatingin sa'yo. Tapos, iaalis yung tingin. Something like that. Same height as you. Okay. Sino nakakuha nito? May nakakuha rin yan. Okay. Same height as you. So, may chance na merong pagkakapareho sa inyo ng taong to. Ayoko lang magtingin, no? Or ayoko lang maging specific sa height. Okay? Pwedeng merong pagkakapareho pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Birthday. O, diba? Pareho kayo ng month, ng birthday, something like that. Pareho kayo ng lugar, or pareho kayo ng something. Merong something na pagkakapareho sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Hobbies. Food. Pwedeng pareho kayong gustong kumain ng ganito, ganyan. Something like that. Okay? In general, may pagkakapareho sa inyo. Some of you, feeling mo, you're twin flame. Okay? You're twin flame. So, yeah. Let's see, Capricorn. Anong meron sa energy niya? Sino ba itong taong to na may gusto sa'yo, Capricorn? Capricorn, anong meron? Anong energy ng taong tong may gusto sa'yo, Capricorn? The Ace of Swords. Some of them, you see this person online, through online. You have connections. Okay? Pwedeng itong taong to may alam ka pagdating sa kanya, or maybe siya may alam pagdating sa'yo. There's this transparency in general. Something like that. Hang on, sandali lang po ha. Okay, so yan, nasa na ba tayo? So, Ace of Swords. Okay, some of you, pwedeng nagkaroon na kayong convo nito, conversation. Okay, hindi naman para sa lahat yon. The Ace of Swords. Maybe you want to talk to this person, or maybe they want to talk. Okay, anyway. Ano bang meron sa Ace of Swords? Pagdating sa energy na yan. Energy ni person na may gusto sa'yo. Let's see. Oh, ay. Page of Cups inverse. Ah, okay. Okay, so Four of Swords. Some of you, hindi kayo talaga nagkakausap ng taong to, pero you feel, okay, the energy na gusto kang kausapin ng taong to. There's something like that. Crush ka nito. totoo. The Page of Cups in reverse, the Ace of Swords. Pwedeng may mga nakikita kang hints. Sabi ko sa'yo madalas tinitingnan ka nito. Madalas parang nagkakatitigan kayo or nauhuli mo siyang nakatingin sa'yo. Yeah. Yes. Nahuli niyang nakatingin. Meaning, tinitingnan mo rin. Yes. Diba? Oo. Mga ganang bagay-bagay ba? Diba? Okay. Wait lang. Okay. So, yeah. They have emotions. Okay. Some of them, they're younger. Yeah, they're younger. Pwedeng, yun nga, sabi ko, kahit hindi ito yung elderly, maybe they're young. Okay? Pero they look matured. Itong taong to may pagkamahiyain. May pagkamahiyain siya, Capricorn. Okay? They're not talking. Hindi ko pinapansin madalas. Yung parang wala siyang pakialam. Pero nakikita mo nakatingin minsan. Yun. Okay. So, gusto ko pang kumuha na iba pang energy. Ano bang meron pa? Ano tong Page of Cups in reverse? Why? The Seven of Cups in reverse. Alam nyo, talagang nahihiya tong taong to na kausapin ka. Pero gustong-gusto niya kausapin ka. Gustong-gusto niya kumonek sa'yo. Some of them, pwedeng they're like, tingin niya, hindi mo siya gusto. Tingin niya, tinatalikuran mo siya or pwedeng hindi mo nga siya, I don't know, kung pinapansin mo tong taong to. Ayun naman, Capricorn, sinisimangutan mo na naman to na, ini-snub mo. Yeah, they're into you. So that is why, maybe, may chance na natatakot to, parang, yeah, nahihiya. Wala Okay, yung iba talaga sa inyo, ini-snub mo to. Okay? Some of you, this is like a fellow Capricorn. Tinginan kayo, pero snaban. Okay? Nagkakahulihan lang kayo ng tingin na ito Yes! Ewan ko sa inyo. Okay. Kasi naman to, they're younger. Pwedeng a fellow Capricorn, Aquarius is here. A lot of water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So maybe they have those sign. Okay? Sa chart nila. Some of them, they stalk you. Yeah, they stalk you. Anyway, okay. So, next. Aqua. Okay, so Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And the North Node. Aquarius, placements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, bakit ko ba ginaganyan? Don't need to. Okay, so, anong meron sa physical traits? Sa looks ng person na may gusto sa'yo. If you're interested, doon sa taong may gusto sa'yo. Okay, tingnan natin. Anong meron? Light skin. So, fair to light skin. Okay. Maputi, hindi naman masyadong kaitiman, parang ganyan. Hindi siya morena, I think, or moreno. Okay. What else? Exaggerated features. Okay. They have this, sabihin nating, pointed nose, big ears, like that. Okay? So, yeah, may pagka-exaggerated pagdating sa face niya, like, yeah. Okay, or something like pagdating sa fashion niya, something like that. Okay? They have pouty lips, like that. Anyway. Okay. Australian, okay. Some of them pwedeng Australiana, Australiano, mga ganyan. Foreign blood. Okay, yeah. So, pwede talagang ano to, no? Ibang lahi. Okay? Tattoos. So, pwede may chance na may tattoo itong taong to. Birthmark. Nung may narinig pa ako, birthmark daw. Ang tawag doon? Balat. Okay? So, there. Blonde. So, pwede talaga na ibang lahi, no? Anyway. So, hindi naman ito dikit-dikit, no? Kunin mo lang kung anong sa tingin mo na pwede kang makaresonate. Okay? So, tayo tumungo doon sa some of them. Kung ano man to, Pinoy, Pinay, may lahi lang, something like that. Like, sabihin natin may pagka-mestiza, mestizo, parang ganun. I don't know. Maputi, ganyan. Okay? So, anong meron? Sa person na may gusto sa'yo. Aqua. Okay, so pwede yun nga. May birthmarks. 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 Tattoos. Okay? So, anong meron? Pagdating sa energy ng taong to, Aqua. Page of Swords in reverse. Some of them, you know, they're stalking you. Okay? Pwedeng alam mong ini-stalk ka niya. Or pwedeng mahuhuli mo siya na ini-stalk ka, or nakita mo na ini-stalk ka, my day mo, maybe like that. What's with this? Page of Swords in reversed. Justice in reversed. Some of them, pwedeng nahuhuli mo or mahuhuli mo to na nakatingin or something na pwedeng may mahuli ka sa taong to pero i-deny niya. Okay? I-deny niya yun. Okay? What's this? Justice in reversed? Some of them, they're not hindi sila parang ano ba yan? Hindi sila nag-share. Okay? Na kung ano man. Ayaw nila ma-judge. Okay? Ayaw nila ng opinion ng iba. May ganun siya. Okay? Ayaw niya na i-judge siya. Yeah. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. The Sun in reversed. Hate nito na i-judge siya. Okay? Some of them, they're hot-tempered. Mainitin ang ulo. Okay? Some of them, mas pipiliin ang taong tong walang kausap. They're not plastic. Okay? Hindi sila ganun. Hindi sila plastic. Okay? Kung tingin niya dun sa tao is plastic, hindi na niya yun nakakausapin. May ganun siyang may ganun siyang katangian. May ganun siyang ugali. Okay? So, diba? Iba sa kanila, may chance na meron ng pinanggalingang ibang connection. Okay? Pwedeng there's this something legal issue pagdating sa part niya. Okay? Pwedeng may mga itinatanggi itong taong to pagdating sa side niya, pagdating sa part niya, kung ano man ang meron sa past, like itinatanggi niya. Yeah, they're holding back kung ano man yon. Hindi sila nag-overshare, hindi sila nag-share ng something pagdating sa kanilang buhay in general. Hindi sila nag-share. Hanggat maaari, itatago at itatago nila, kung itatago niya, kung ano man yon. Yeah. Maybe you're stalking this person. Maybe you are the one who's stalking this person. Okay? They want you to know, like, you want you. You want to know more. Oo, pagdating sa kanya. You're being curious. Oo, parang ganyan. Pwedeng ini-stalk mo na nga itong taong to. Ngayon nga, siguro, pwedeng ini-stalk mo to. You have someone on your mind, like that. Okay, so there. So, yun yung tao may gusto sa'yo. I don't know why. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay, so, next, Pisces. Oo. So, Pisces. Oh, pasensya na. Ngayon lang tayo nakarating sa'yo. Okay, so, wala eh. Sinusunod lang natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng zodiac. Okay, ayoko naman magsimula sa Pisces. Magugulo eh. Oo. So, Pisces placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Anong meron? Pagdating dyan sa person na may gusto sa'yo. So, tingnan natin, physical looks, physical traits ng tao. And then, yung energy niya. Okay? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, piercing. So, normal na kung babae ito. Pero kung lalaki, they have piercing. Okay po, hikaw. Okay, kung saang-saang parte ng katawan. Mga ganyan, bagay-bagay ba. Okay? So, what else? Okay, short hair. So, okay, so literal, short hair, babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender. Some of you nakakuha ko dito ng masculine, like, tawag dito, lesbi. Nakakuha ko ng ganong energy, ha. Okay. Or, I don't know. Okay. Or maybe, may pagka-masculine lang, if ever na babae ito. Okay? So, what else? Very young. Oh, very young. Okay. Itong taong to, andun pa sila sa energy na parang napaka-adventurous nila, no? Pagdating sa sarili. Okay, kung makikita mo, itong taong to, meron na naman siyang piercing there sa nose niya. Kita nyo? Yeah, andun pa yung energy na may pagka-adventure. Okay, like, discovering things like that, wanting to try, no, kung ano man yung mga sabihin nating nasa trend, or kung ano man ang tingin niya na gusto niyang gawin sa buhay. They're like a risk taker. May pagka-Aries itong taong to. Anyway, or air or fire sign, I mean fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, like that. Okay, outgoing, fun-going, tama ba yun? Outgoing, they're fun to be with. Okay, something like that. Okay, so what else? Yeah, powerful. Yeah, I think andun yung energy na susundin ko kung ano ang gusto kong gawin, something like that. Okay. So, may sariling rules, no, itong taong to, I think. Meron silang sariling mga sinusunod na kagustuhan. Yeah. It's like energy ng Empress, energy ng Emperor, like that. Okay? So there's that Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Libra. Yan, okay? Yeah, this could be any sign naman. So, let's see anong meron sa energy ng taong to na may gusto sa'yo. Okay, Pisces. Pisces, for you, Pisces. Let's see. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Temperance in reverse, yeah. Ayaw ng taong tong maboboard siya. Okay, gagawin itong gusto niya, something like may magpapasaya sa kanya. Napaka-adventurous ng taong to. Okay, itong taong to hindi makikita sa bahay ng Sabihin natin, hindi siya makakanal eh. Pag lagi siyang nasa bahay, gusto niya lagi siyang nasa labas, may mga ginagawa, something like that. Lalo na yung mga gusto niyang gawin. Okay? Yeah, earth sign, Sagittarius, fire sign, no? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Friendly tong taong to, Pisces. Friendly siya. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. Friendly to. Okay? Some of them, may chance na they're healing. Pwedeng may malalaman ka pagdating sa kanya na they're like moving on from a past person or from a past connection, something like that. Okay, so that is why mas ginugusto niya na palaging masaya, lagi siyang together with her or his friends, like that. Okay, ayaw nito na parang naboboringan siya sa buhay, ayaw niya ng ganun. Okay, the Nine of Wands. Some of them, they're guarded. Okay, they're guarded. Some of you, pwedeng friend mo to. Pwedeng friend mo. See, the Two of Cups. There's that energy ng, sabihin nating, closeness sa inyong pareho. Okay? So, yeah. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. They're friendly, I think. Yeah, meron tong parang tinatakbuhan eh. Okay? See, the Empress. 'Di ba? I told you, may mga ganong energy. 'Di ba? Sumilip siya. Some of them po may anak. May anak to. Mga pababae, mga palalaki, sino naman to, may anak siya. Or may mga responsibilidad. Okay? Kunin nyo lang kung ano yung makaka-resonate po, ha. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.